So this is my real state of hair, as in air dried. So magulo siya. And ayun. But thankfully, it's not as dry as before kasi nga I've been using a lot of hair protecting product. So, I will be doing a super quick and easy wavy hair. Yung sinasabi kong parang Asian style, Japanese Korean style na super easy lang. It won't take more than 5 minutes if you've mastered it. Are you ready? So, I will be doing a super quick and easy wavy hair. Yung sinasabi kong parang Asian style, Japanese Korean style na super easy lang. It won't take more than 5 minutes if you've mastered it. Are you ready? Firstly, before you touch any heating tools on your hair, you have to protect it with a hair protectant spray. And I'm currently using this one from Beachborn called All Natural Sunset Spray. It's a greasy detangler and heat protector or protection spray. You can also use serum. I actually applied this early in the morning, so I don't need to put it again. So, section your hair in two. This is super quick lang, but it will take time now kasi I'm talking to you guys and I do a lot of explaining. So, now that your hair is well sectioned, you make sure that you have a curling iron. If your hair is longer, go for bigger barrel. Actually, I should use a big barrel, pero tinamad ako kasi nakatago siya. So, I'll use this one. It's a 1-inch barrel from Babyliss. No. Babyliss ba to? Hot Tools. So, ayan. This I bought in the US, pero kailangan ng bonggang adapter. So, is it adapter? Converter. So, yon. So, just section and grab just a couple of hair. And here you go. Just the end of the hair. Like this. Ayan, you just twist and curl. Halfway lang or a quarter way. And just release. So, medyo bilog siya as you can see. And grab the other layer. Again, do the same. Just more section, but since di naman ganun karami yung hair ko, 3 is enough. Ayan. So, this is how it looks like. Next. So, even if you don't have a comb, doesn't have to be perfect. Just grab like this. Release. And then next layer. Sobrang bilis lang. And release. And then last, yung sa may bandang likod. So you really don't have to reach out at the back kasi yun yung problem natin, diba? You just pull your hair from the back forward. Then you don't have to worry about putting your hand at the back. So now we're done with both sides. Here's what we will do. Oh, before I continue, it's very important to have a towel on your lap just to make sure kasi you're still handling heating tools. I've hurt my legs in the past, kaya natuto na ako. And next naman, for your back to have a curl, just grab this section para siyang crown. Like so. Tuminis ang boses ko. Ayan. Medyo not perfect yung voice ko. Not 100% Nikki voice kasi may pagkangongo. So, you got this. Pull on the side like this. And sideways, ganun lang. Doesn't have to be perfect, and twist. Twist, twist, twist. And ito, leave it a bit longer kasi makapal yung hair. So, just twist like so. And release. Ayan. So, lastly, 2 steps na lang. This both side at the front. Just grab a thick layer on this side. So, naka-sideways siya. Go against your face. And then do the same on this side. Again, see, I'm not using comb na. Just grab a section. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. And release. And would you believe, we're done. So here's what you will do. Grab the rat tail comb and zigzag, zigzag. And finger comb your hair like so. And then this time, use a serum. So this one is my Kerastase Serum, just a little amount. And ito yung sinasabi ko. You have to apply at the bottom of your hair para it doesn't look dry. Usually after styling or curling, the ends would look dry. So you need a serum para see it looks shiny and healthy. And if you have highlights or color treated hair, mas makikita yung color. So that's it, guys. This is my gulo-gulo curly hair, and it's super quick and easy lang. Once you mastered your curling or styling tools, everything will be way easier. It's less than 5 minutes, I promise you. So at least this is the type of hairstyle you don't need to section, or you really don't need to reach out from the back. So I hope you learned something from me, and let me know if you've tried it. I'd love to see photos of your hair. And let me know if also you wanted more hairstyle tutorials like this. I'll try to create more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!